Redfeather from Grub. In this video, we will be discussing some things to be prepared for before upgrading to a new Linux OS distribution. The first thing is knowing your system and how it is set up. There are a couple of ways you can do this. One way is to go into Show Applications and type Disks and click Reviewing the info and taking a pic or writing it down. There is a reason for this. For example, into which can happen within any upgrade, whereas for whatever reason it extracts grub but places nothing in return. Once the upgrade is finished and asks you to restart, and once you do, it does not boot but leaves you at the rescue grub window. Another way to look at your system is by looking at the about information. This system, as you will notice, we are utilizing Linux Ubuntu 20.04.1. Once you have this information, research information on how to restore grub at the rescue grub area. I will not make this video as there are plenty of these videos already. Now, when I installed this OS, or upgrade if you will, I myself ended up at the rescue grub upon restart. Here's how it happened. I noticed an update was needed for my system. I proceeded with the update, and then of course, after the updates were installed, a message, "Hey, by the way, a new OS upgrade is available," to which I accepted. And then, after the install of the upgrade, ended up at the rescue grub. I have some of my own ideas of why this happened, but that is nonetheless. So being this system was fairly new, I wanted to see how far it would go. I immediately downloaded the OS to a CD. I booted my machine via the CD. I then tried Ubuntu. Everything seemed to be working great. So I clicked Install from the desktop, keeping existing files, although this only rendered the same result at the grub rescue screen after reboot. So then I rebooted once again, utilizing the CD, this time installing without trying but keeping existing files, to still only get the same result, stuck at the grub rescue. Well, they say the third time is a charm. I once again rebooted via the CD and installed Ubuntu 20.04.1. This time as a clean install. And I said bingo as I seen grub install where it should. My point is to avoid all of this, do your homework first before upgrading. I know to most this would be very important, so as you do not have to reinstall and do redevelopment of certain projects. As far as this new Linux Ubuntu OS 20.04.1, everything has been running quite smoothly, although I have found some odd spots. The first, if you go into Show Applications and type Update, for whatever reason, they gave both update sections the same icon. One configures updates, and the other downloads the updates. Why they gave them the same icon is beyond me, although it is a minor inconvenience. The next odd thing I noticed while utilizing my Western Digital external hard drive, once I was done using the hard drive, I right-click on the desktop icon on my taskbar, noticing there are only two options: unmount and new window. So for a while, I was unmounting each time, to which I believe had caused an error after a while, called the unknown error. This error can be easily fixed in terminal by using the fix command. This is another video to research and is well made. But take notice, if you go into Files, right-click on the hard drive there, in the menu, as you can see, the option to safely remove the hard drive. And after clicking this, you receive the subsequent message for the drive. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Bayou1. Thank you in advance. I am out.